Hey everyone, if your AnyDesk session keeps closing unexpectedly, disconnects in the middle of work, or drops without warning, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to stabilize your remote sessions. First, make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. Unstable internet is one of the most common reasons sessions drop suddenly. Next, restart AnyDesk on both devices, and also restart your computer or phone. Yeah, this clears temporary network and session errors. Make sure power saving mode is turned off. Aggressive power saving can interrupt network connections and close sessions. Ensure the remote device does not go to sleep. So, if the computer sleeps, AnyDesk will disconnect immediately. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, routing changes can cause unstable or drop sessions. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can interrupt the connection. Allowing AnyDesk through your firewall can fix unexpected disconnections. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause unstable sessions. Close heavy downloads or streaming apps. So, too much network usage can cause AnyDesk sessions to drop. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. Yeah, a fresh installation can repair corrupted session components. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify deeper network or account-related issues. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk session closed unexpectedly problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.